everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be using some marble inks and creating a fun dino egg mani, and I'm so excited to show you these marble inks in action. And we are also going to be using Crescent Moon, which is a beautiful like white green gel polish, and then we're going to be adding some fun dino decals to one nail. So to start out the mani today, I'm going to go ahead and place gel base all over the nails, and then I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. And I'm using the shape in medium stiletto, and I love those so much. So Crescent Moon is part of the Moonlight collection, and it's an amazing collection, which I love it so much. It consists of 8 beautiful, they are white gel polishes, but yet they have a hint of color to it. So Crescent Moon has like this beautiful hint of green to it, and it's super subtle and it's amazing. So if you love doing nail art, the Moonlight collection is gonna be your jam because they are just really great staple colors and I love them so much. I almost need another Crescent Moon because I've been using it a lot lately and I really love that just like little slight pop of green. So we're gonna go ahead and do one layer right now. And you can see that it is applying very pigmented and it is not streaky at all, which I love that about the Sundara gel polishes. Also, this gel polish right here, it is HEMA free. So if you ever experienced any like gel allergies or anything like that, these are going to be your go-to. And now I'm just going to go ahead and show you a second coat on this nail here of Crescent Moon in action. And you can see it's really building up that color. And you can see 2 coats versus 1 here. And now we're going to go right into these marble inks, and I'm really excited. We're going to be using yellow and green. Now when you are doing any kind of mani, you can change up the colors, but I thought the yellow and the green were perfect with Crescent Moon to create these dinosaur egg nails. So I'm just picking up a little bit of product and I'm gently tapping it onto the nail, which is creating this really fun circle, and the circle is kind of spreading out, it's kind of blooming out, and I really like it because not only is it very fun to do these dots because you are kind of hypnotized with the transformation, but I really like how it is like that lighter green and then it fades out to the darker, and then those circles are kind of have like a slight squiggle to it. So it's very awesome and it's definitely giving me dinosaur egg vibes. And now we're going to go in with the yellow. And we're going to do the exact same thing. Just make sure you don't have a lot of product on that brush. Otherwise, you're going to have a giant blob, but you're just gently tapping the nail just ever so lightly, and you're just going to get this really awesome, unique circles, and they're just so fun. And you can see that this yellow and green is really bringing that gel polish Crescent Moon to life. You can really see that green really shine through with this combination. Now, how fun are these polka dots? They are super easy to achieve, and I just love it so much. And doesn't this scream dinosaur egg? Ah, I love it. So I did the rest of the dots off camera, and you can see here that we're ready to add some dinosaurs to an accent nail. We're going to be using some water decals. Now I just placed them in the water, and now I'm going to go ahead and just place those dinos on the nail. I'm going to put 3 on there. Now if you want an in-depth tutorial on decals, I will link that in the cards as well. I play with water decals quite often on my channel. I just think they're a really easy way to enhance your mani, especially with this dinosaur egg theme that we were going for. We had to add some fun dinos, and there is no way I could hand draw a dino on my nail. And I really like how these are black and white, and we're just placing them on the nail. There's no right or wrong way to apply them on the nail. I just wanted to have some dinos, and then I'm going to seal that in with some base coat and cure that for 30 seconds. And then I was like, you know what? We need to add more dino eggs to this mani. So I'm going to add some more dots to this mani on the dino accent nail just to tie it in all together. And we're going to go in with the green. And again, I did cure that base for 30 seconds before I went in with these dots. And just a gentle dab right there to create those circles. But if you use marble inks, you know that they're really fun to work with and options are really endless, and I just am really obsessed with how the marble inks turn these little circles. Now there is other colors that Sundara Nail has to offer with the marble inks. There's pinks, there's a blue, there's a maroon, there's a red. So options are endless when it comes to marble inks, and they're really, really fun. And I'm going to do another mani, kind of a marble effect mani soon, so stay tuned for that. We will play with some more marble inks. And I also did a live on the Sundara Nails Facebook group over the weekend, and you can check out that replay. But doesn't this look better with the spots? I just love it so much. So here is the mani here with all the dino dots and the dino accents. I just love how it turned out. And then to seal in this mani, I'm going to go in with my favorite gel top coat. Now you want to wait about, I would say, like 3 to 5 minutes before you go in with your top coat, so you do not smear any of those little dots with the marble ink, just to ensure that those are dry. Otherwise you're going to get kind of a smear effect, which would still look cool, but just to keep those dots perfect, I just waited about 4 to 5 minutes. So here is the finished mani. That top coat is cured, and I just really like how it turned out. I think it's something different and fun, and you can do so many things. These even look like fruit slices, like lemons and limes. You could do like a fruit style mani. Options are endless when you're doing your nails at home, and these marble inks are really fun and just kind of overall created a totally different vibe for this mani, and I love it so much. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below, and I will see you in the next upload.